do you think it's gonna make?
This one and see if the other one even makes one. 930.
930.
That's gonna be
I really don't know if it's gonna make it.
You're right. So before it made 806 and 769. What do you really think it's gonna make?
I don't know. I ain't
You gotta give a guess.
I ain't even.
What do you think it's gonna make?
My guess would be probably 850, and it ought to make 820 or so torque.
You still need a guess.
I mean, that's probably what it's gonna do.
I think it might get close to 900.
I don't know. It's hot.
$779 and 824.
Look at better fuel.
Oh yeah, it's way off. He's working on it though.
Oh, we got to pull a bunch out.
Yeah.
Look
Look at the torque. Look at the torque though.
Yeah.
Look how fast it made it.
Yeah. I guarantee you he's got to pull it out too.
Oh yeah. 822, 841. I seen the nod of approval. Oh yeah, 838, 849. Oh yeah. Couple. $846, $849. So we just put some ice in here, cool it off. It's already melted. It's literally already. So it was pretty hot. All right, what do you think on this pull?
It should pick up 15 to 20 on this pull.
Should pick up 15 to 20. So you think a total of what? 860?
That sounds about right.
860? What do you think, Jaeger?
865.
Oh, you're gonna answer now.
I got faith.
What do you think? 865?
What do you think?
I'm gonna be the odd man out. I'm gonna say like 872. I'm having high hopes. 872. I hope it does. What do we got? 882, 895. So what we're gonna do, he just made the final pull for that. We're gonna grab this intake right here and we're gonna put it on, ice the car down with the ice tank that's under here. All right, all this good stuff. And then we're gonna make a final pull with this intake, see if it picks up any power. Well, now it's time to ice it down with the larger intake and see what it picks up. Let's get one of these bags. Whoop. Well, that worked great.
Otherwise, put some vacuum on it.
Oh yeah, and it don't want to drain easy.
Woo! Like a shower in that.
Oh, it's hot.
This is it.
We're going for 910, 902.
No filter. Let's see how we're
Give us a guess. 914, 920. I'm gonna go like 912. What is it?
903 short.
Oh, 905, 903. Oh yeah.
So theoretically,
I mean, I'm
filter
calling
really
it.
ain't good for.
I'm calling it 905, 905. I'm just saying.
Well, I thought 906, 903.
That works too.
Just say it's over 900. Yeah.
It's 906, 905.
Yeah. I don't think.
Done that on its own.
Yeah.
Call 911 on my killer. You know I hate to come